Haha. Okay. Someone left this backpack here. There's something inside. What? It became black. What happened? Wait a minute. I'll go wash my hands. What is this? So gross. I wonder whose backpack is this? Oh, it's Pikachu! I wonder if there's something inside. Girls! What is this? It became black. There is something inside. Huh? Oh, this hand became black too. What is it? I can't take it off. I have to tell Cole to not touch the backpack. Cole, no! Go, I'll take it off for you. Ow! Ow, it hurts. Sorry for the wait. With the octopus, the nemi, and cobra, I made takoyaki! Wow! Ooh. Now enjoy your meal!
Yay! Takoyaki! Itadakimasu!
So delicious! So yummy!
KOYA and NEMI KidsLine! Kana?
No, I don't think so. Do you have a driver's license? This is a child car, so I don't need it. I'm gonna check it out. go with you? You gotta fasten their seatbelt. I don't know how though. Today it's okay. Only today. Now it's perfect. Be careful about speed and drive safely. Bye-bye. Bye. I don't know who she is.
I will put some of this. It looks so yummy. I had a lot chocolate leftovers. What should I do with them? I cannot eat it all. I'm so full. Yes. I should put more. Oh, yes. I will put this. She will get it with the color. No, I have to put something. What should I do? Yeah, I should put some sparkles. And also some chocolate. Okay, I have done. It looks happy and yummy. Oh, I have something for you. A gift? What? What do you have for me? Happy Valentine's Day. It is a little bit later. It looks really good. Did you made it, Nemi? Yes, I made it. Eat it. Thank you so much. Let's eat. It looks really delicious. Thank you. even with you. Oh yes. What is this? Call. I'll get even with you. Let's eat. I wanna eat it too. Yeah, there's some. Okay, let's eat. Is it safe? But she's eating, so maybe it's safe. You've just been punked again.